Alright guys, so I'm doing a little DIY with a wood polish. So I have about a quarter cup olive oil, a quarter cup vinegar, and about 10 drops of lemon essential oil. And what I'm doing is I basically just mix it up in there. I'm taking like an old rag kind of thing, and then I'm just dipping that in there and then rubbing it across the boxes. And this is kind of when this one is all polished up from the outside. I still have a little bit left of the inside to go with a little bit of a Q-tip around the corners, and then this kind of goes back inside there, and then this one is ready to start basically. And this is kind of where it's an all amazing non-toxic natural wood cleaner. So it is amazing. Keep it in your home, use it on all your furniture. It is great. Whereas the lemon essential oil helps kind of cut that grease out and just kind of makes sure that you are getting like that beautiful aroma of the lemon, as well as you're getting the benefit of using all natural ingredients. So I've gone through just pretty much like all three of the boxes. You can kind of tell the difference between the one that's been polished, the one that hasn't been, and that's yet to be, and it looks beautiful. So it is drying up a little bit, not sticky at all. It's a great all natural polish. So definitely go ahead, give it a try, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next week for another DIY. Thanks.